Hey, what's up, fellas? All right, so today we're gonna try to fix this. I bought this Pacific Hydrostar pressure washer, water pressure washer. It's 1650 psi. It's small. I only use it like I don't know, like 5 times. When I painted the house, it was for some good hours. Because I did pressure washer the house before I painted it, so I would say some good 5 hours in it. So anyway, it broke, connected the water, and all the water was just spilling out, right? So today we're gonna try to fix it. I already took out the screws. I have the screws right here. So it's got on all the holes all around it. So I'm gonna show you what I did, what I'm going to do, because I haven't fixed it yet. So hopefully, and I'm just going to try to put it direct. So here's a cover. Okay, so this is where I found out. I already opened it. I haven't fixed it, and I don't know if it's going to get fixed. All right, but this is what I found. Look, this is why my water was leaking. This piece is broken. Looks like this is a solid piece. So this is the broken piece inside here. So it's got some sort of pressure valve in it that turns on or off a switch here that is inside here. I already opened it. So it's just a switch here that these little hole turns it off or on. And I'm imagining that it's off and it's going to turn it on when the pressure is on here, because there's a little hole right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to put it direct and forget about this switch, because I already tried to look for these. I already tried to look for these parts, and they don't sell it. So this is what I did. I'm going to show you what I did, and I think it's going to work. And so when you got it out from here, so when I got it out from there, I go ahead and went and put it in my. I needed to identify the thread of it. So what I did is I have this beautiful thread identifier from just buy it from whatever, but it's called a thread identifier. And so what I did is just brought it here, and it fits right here. And so the thread is the M20, the M20 1.5. So what I did is I looked for my plug that it's an M20 1.5, which it fits right here perfectly. See? Unfortunately, they don't sell only one, so I order 50, but they're only like $10, shipping included, from China. It's the only plug I found on eBay. I actually got those on eBay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to plug this, and I'm going to try it first, because there's this hole right here that I think is where it shoots water or something. So I'm going to make a hole right here. For this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it here, and when it gets tightened up, when it's all tied up, I'm going to make a mark my hole right here, which I did already. And then I'm gonna mark my hole right there. See, when I'm like completely tight, when it's completely tightened. So I'm gonna drill it, and then I'm going to make sure that the both lines aligned. This one and the one before. And then I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna make a hole right there, and I'm gonna make my lines here and here. So there's a hole that permits water from coming in. So it can shoot the water out. So I think that's gonna work. It's just gonna be direct. This I'm just gonna forget about it. If it's open, I'm gonna close it. And if it's already closed, then I'm just gonna ignore it and just have the water. And I already try it. The pump works because it's brand new. Like I said, it doesn't have a lot. So this is what I'm gonna do, fellas. I'm gonna show you later if it works or not, or make another video.